If you are going down a very steep hill, it is safer to use the engine brake along with the regular brakes of the RV. In this way, the brakes suffer less and it is safer. To activate the engine brake, locate the gear shift lever and engage the tow haul option. When you reach flat ground, disconnect this option by pressing the button again. And there you have it. Now you know a safer way to travel and enjoy the road. This option should also be used when the RV is towing another vehicle like a car or a trailer. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this, and the most important, don't forget to enjoy the ride. See you soon.